Hi everyone, in this video I will show you 7 simple steps how to easy make wood subfloor leveling. First step is grinding. For it I am using a DeWalt grinder, angle grinder, 7 inches, and also turbo blade. This turbo blade very easy removing all paint, dirt from the plywood. For dust collection I use vacuum and cyclone. Before start grinding, don't forget put down all nails and screws. It helps you avoid any sparks when you grinding wood subfloor. Almost all area is ready, just little spot left, and I am just removing dust, paint and dirt from the plywood. This room is ready for primer application. You can see wallpaper on the wall, foam on the wall, and also sealed cracks and holes. Let's see how to do it step by step. First of all, I am using foam gasket to install it to the wall with stapler gun. This foam gasket help you make expansion gap and also avoid any leaks downstairs. Then I seal cracks, plywood joints and holes from the nails and screws with white caulk. For this step I use caulk gun and putty knife. Then I put silicone on the bottom of the foam. This step very important. I'm doing it to avoid any leaks downstairs. The main tool in this part of your job is your finger. One more important thing. If you have heater, don't forget remove front and side panels from this heater and seal around the pipe and bottom of the heater to avoid any leaks. Next step is putting painter's wallpaper to avoid any splashing of self-leveling compound to the walls. The next step is primer application. This primer is Primer T from Mapei, specially made it for better bonding self-leveling compound to wood subfloor. For primer application, I am using small foam roller because big roller absorb too much primer. This primer is expensive and you can save some money with this roller. All preparation is done and we can start leveling. To make this step fast and easy, I use concrete leveling tripods. You just pour self-leveling compound till this bottom plate. In the description of this video you can find link to book these wonderful tools. Let's mix self-leveling compound. I put 1 bucket of water in the barrel, then put mixer and open the 1 bag of self-leveling compound. Then I cover the barrel with empty bag and start mixing self-leveling compound. Add more bags. Total I put 3 bags of self-leveling compound for 1 bucket of water. Stir until smooth. Then pour on the subfloor. Now I'm using floor squeezer to spread the self-leveling compound. When you finish fill up the room, remove tripods. The last step, roll out the self-leveling compound with spike roller to make it smooth. Job is done.